Today I wanted to share with you my latest upgrade to my Chevy ZR2 bug out vehicle slash Adventuremobile. And what I added is MOLLE seat panels that go on the back side of the driver seat and passenger seat, and then you can attach various pouches or other accessories to these MOLLE panels, increasing your storage capacity for the cab of the truck. The MOLLE panel that I went with is called Blue Ridge Overland. They're made in the United States and Virginia, and it's a lifetime warranty with that. And then the various pouches that I attached, and I'll go through this here after my intro, is pouches from, like, it's called MAXPEDITION. The other one is Tacticool Taylor, which is a company based up near Fort Lewis, Washington, made in the USA also, and comes with a lifetime warranty. And then just a couple generic knockoff pouches from Amazon. My concept was to go on passenger side. I wanted emergency equipment, and then on the driver's side I went with what I call endurance equipment, since I do a lot of trail running and training. I'll share with you what it looks like in the back of the truck when the panels are installed, and the various pouches and the configuration that I have and the different types of equipment and gear I have back there. So maybe it gives you an idea of something that you want to use. If you have any suggestions, ideas, or comments, please put that in the comment line and we can open up a discussion about equipment that would be great for overlanding slash bugging out slash Adventuremobile type of stuff. So let's go check it out. For the emergency side, I wanted to go passenger side because more than likely you're going to encounter a highway motor vehicle crash or something on the road, and probably one of the biggest things that you're going to worry about is if you're accessing your gear on the driver's side of the vehicle, there's a good chance that a looky-loo or rubbernecker or somebody else will run you over. So I want to put this on the passenger side of the vehicle. That way, if I'm accessing it in a dangerous situation, more than likely my vehicle's off on the side of the road, and then I'm on the other side of the vehicle, which acts as a protective barrier for me. That's just a little tip that I learned working for the Montana Highway Patrol. How many times have I almost been run over by other cars at an accident scene? So on the top is, this is actually from Blue Ridge Overland. It's a 12-inch by, I think, 4-inch Velcro pouch that can rip away. And in this pouch is my trauma pouch. So basically for broken bones, I got some SAM splints in there, some athletic tape. I actually have a wound rinse you spray on it. It's like a saline solution if you need to clean a wound out. More than likely, if you're going into the backcountry or there is a disaster situation, which is part of my bug out vehicle, you're not going to get any help for a long time. So you need to be self-reliant and able to take care of yourself. And if it's a really long-term emergency situation, you got to worry about infections. You want to keep the wounds clean. This right here is a simple first aid kit, everything you need in it to, you know, have little scrapes and bruises and that kind of stuff, little burns, nothing major. And this over here is a trauma kit. This is for basically bleeding, and it rips off, so you can take it to the victim or to the scene. On the bottom here, over on the right, I have these battery powered road flares. I got 2 of them, and they're also magnetic here on the back, so you could put them on the back of your vehicle. But this is basically to let the other vehicles know that there's a hazard ahead, and hopefully they won't run into you. And you just click it on. It's got different functions. They say you can see it up to a mile away. And the cool thing about this is if you are, say, stranded or lost in the backcountry and there's a search and rescue effort going on and you can't communicate with them or provide them your location, this would probably make a great signal device to notify any aircraft flying overhead that's searching for you. So it's kind of a dual purpose piece of equipment. Get it shut off there. This pouch here contains a battery power pack and jumper cables. So if your battery goes dead and you're in the middle of nowhere, you can start your vehicle and get going where you need to go. That piece is all part of my self-reliant strategy, to where you can't depend on anybody. You have to take care of yourself. So over on the driver's side is my, basically what I call my endurance side. And what I have here is my Mountain Wilderness running pack that just clips on a carabiner, a little tiny clip. And then I have basically sunglasses. Over here is a small pouch. I can keep resistance bands, which I use for warming up before a run. There's a knife, flashlight. This is a rollout bag, but this will hold a Nageline water bottle or like a 32-ounce thermos, so you can have a cold beverage waiting for you when you get back. This here is just a basic utility pouch. It's really designed to carry magazines. It has little bungee fabric in there, but I can put just about anything in there. Extra fuel, you know, endurance fuel, food, spare gear, gloves, headlamps, etc. And this right here is pretty slick. It is this is that Tactical Tailor company. It's just basically a dump pouch that rolls up. But this could double, you know, you could put dirty clothes in here. It can act as a trash bag, which is probably what I'll use mostly for trips when we're driving, and my wife can reach over and dump all the trash in there while I keep my eyes focused on the road. And so that's that side of the vehicle.